Let us see this question. Very, very good question. I took a special 3.5 hours class in my regular course only from the topic digits. Only from the topic digits. Only from the topic digits. What is the sum of all the digits which appear in all the integers from 10 to 100? 10 to 100. He is telling write all the natural numbers from 10 to 100. 10, 11, 12 till 99, 100. 100. Right? What is the sum of all digits? How many times 1 will come? Add it. How many times 0 will come? Add it. How many times 2 will come? Add it. How many times 9 will come? Add it. Add all the digits which will give you sum of the digits. Looks like a lot of calculation. One small concept, if you know, it is again a less than 30 seconds problem. It is again a less than 30 seconds problem. Sir, how it is less than 30 seconds problem? Let us discuss a concept. Let us discuss a concept. Right? First, write down these concepts, sir, which I explained in the regular class. Any single non-zero digit. First, write down that concept. If you know this concept, answer is very easy. Any single non-zero digit is written. Any single non-zero digit is written 20 times. Is written 20 times, but in 19 numbers. 19 numbers when you are writing from 0 to 99. When you are writing from 0 to 99. First see this concept. I will explain the proof. Any single non-zero digit. Any single non-zero digit is written 20 times, but in 19 numbers. There is one number where the digit is written 2 times. Where the digit is written 2 times. See here, sir. See here. Suppose 9 is there. Listen carefully, sir. 9 is there. I am writing from single digit to 2-digit numbers. 0, 9, 19, 29, 39, 49, and so on up to 89, 99. 9 is present in the units place. 9 is present in the units place. I am writing from 0 to 99. If 9 is present in the units place, 9 is present in the units place. 9 is present in the units place. How many times 9 came? From 0 to 8. 9 times. Here 9 came 2 times. 9 plus 2. Total 11 times it came. Total 11 times it came. Are you all with me? Total 11 times it came. Are you all with me? How 11 times? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 till 8. 0 to 8. 9 times. Here 10th time. Here 11th time. Now 9 is present in the 10th place. 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. It is already counted, so I will not do double counting. I will not do double counting. If 9 is present in the tens place, how many times it came? 0 to 8. 0 to 8. 0 to 8, how many times? 9 times. Totally a single digit. 11 plus 9 is 20 times. Read this statement right now. Any single non-zero digit, instead of 9, it can be 2 also. 0 to 12, 22, 32, and so on up to 92. 20, 21, 22, and so on up to 28 and everything. You observe the same pattern, right? 11 plus 9, 20 times. Read the statement. Any single non-zero digit is written 20 times, but in 19 numbers. 20 times we proved it. Why in 19 numbers there is one number where it is written twice? Where it is written twice. Is this logic very much clear to you? Any single non-zero digit is written 20 times but in 19 numbers. 20 times. That means when you are writing from 0 to 99, 20 times, which all digits are written? 1 is written, 2 is written, some right, and so on up to 9 is written. And so on up to 9 is written. Minus. I want from 0 to 19. This is from 0 to 99. Question is from 10 to 100. That means 0 to 9. I don't need it. Each digit is written once. 1 to 9. So it is 20 into 1 to 9. Sum of the first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2. Minus sum of the first n natural numbers is 45. So this will be 900 minus 45. 855. 855 is till 99. Question is still 100. 100, it is 1. 855 plus 1. 855 plus 1. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. Sum of the digits, digit comes how many times, which position the digit comes, sum of the digits, repetition allowed, repetition not allowed. All these are extremely important logics. From 10 to 100 we require. First logic is any single non-zero digit is written 20 times but in 19 numbers. There is one number where it is written 2 times. Example 09 to 99. So 0 to 8 9. 99 it is written 2 times. 9 plus 2 11. Down 8. Instead of 9, you try it out with any non-zero digit. You will understand the statement properly. Now if you see here, from 0 to 9, 1 is written 20 times. Any single non-zero digit, right sir? 1 is written 20 times. 2 is written 20 times. 3 is written 20 times. Till 9, every digit is written 20 times. So 1 is written 20 times, 1 into 20. 2 is written 20 times, 2 into 20. 9 is written 20 times, 9 into 20. 20 common. Minus 0 to 9. We require from 10 to 100. 10 to 99 I am doing. Removing 0 to 9. 1 plus 2 plus 3 till 9. It is 45. So from 900, if 45 is removed, remaining is 855. I got it from 0 to 99. Right? From there 0 to 9 subtracted. So I got 10 to 99. Question is 100 is also there. Sum of the digit it is 1. 855 plus 1 is 856. I hope you understood this logic. Very, very good question it is. Very, very good question. That is the reason in hurry burry, let me not solve it. Let me help you out with a lot of concepts based on the question that is asked in this question. Everybody, I hope the idea it is clear, right?